What's up, guys? So, in the last lesson, we talked about the Android text view, and today we will go with the Android button. So, here's how you can add the Android button, and I'm gonna add the constraint on this, and I'm gonna connect it to the text view text. So, it also has an ID. I'm gonna change the ID to just button, and this is basically the size of the button. You can say 100 dp for the width, and the height I'm gonna say 75 dp. And this is the text of the button. You can change it. Click the text color. You can change it to blue. And here's the background. Change it. I'm gonna change it to yellow color. And this color, enable to use it, we need to connect it to our Java class. So private, and it's a button, so let's import that button class. The name of the button, my button. And don't forget this find view by ID. My button equals find view by ID r.id, and the ID of this button, it's just button. And here, guys, enable to have an access to this button and able to use it, we need to set a listener on this. So type that set capital O on click listener. So it's basically it listens to any click on this button, and then type new capital O small n and click, press enter. This on click method, here you can do whatever you want to do when this button was clicked. So I'm gonna say log D to show it on the logcat, and the text is the button was clicked. So let's run it, guys, and let's see what will happen if this button was clicked. So let's wait for the Gradle build running to finish. So it's launching. So here, guys, let's click this logcat. If I click this button, as you can see, guys, this button was running, and you can see the text here in the logcat. And there's a lot of ways to make to have the same behavior on this button, on this on click listener. So I'm gonna comment this out and go to activity main. Click this button. Here you can see the on click method. That's a method, and here you can any name that you want on this on click method. So I'm gonna say click, just simply click. And there's an error because we actually not created this method. So let's go outside with this on create method because it's a method, so we need to set it on outside on the create method. Public void the name of the method, click parenthesis, couple of curly braces, And here you need to add a view and the name. So basically everything on the Android is a view, so it needs to grab a view to make this run, to make it run, to make this method run. So I'm gonna copy this like D, and I'm gonna change the text. This is on click method. Let's run it and let's see what happens. What will happen? Gradle build running. Let's wait. Installing APK. So our application is open. So let's click it. So see, this is on click method, and it's basically the same behavior as this. Also, I want to change the text here if the button was clicked. So how we can do that? So let's go to the Java class and just grab that text view. So the name of this text view is my text. So my text, and then just set text and quotation marks. What text I want? I'm now a slave of button. So let's see what happened, guys. Running. So if I click this, I'm now a slave of button. That's amazing, right? So also, I don't want to stuck with this only text. I want to change it constantly. And how we do that? I'm gonna add a boolean variable is click. I'm gonna set it to true. So I'm adding an if statement. If is click is true, I'm gonna set the text to I'm now a slave, and else if the is click is false, I'm gonna set the text to I was clicked again. And to constantly change that text, we need to change the value of this is click to false. And if it's false, then we need to change it back to true. So that's it, guys. So let's run it. Let's see what will happen. So let's see. If I click this, I'm now oh, that's amazing. That's amazing, guys. Do you see that? That's the beauty of button. And guys, I just want to tell you that I'm not a native English speaker, so please have patience with me. I think that's all. If you like this video, just click the like button below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.